Welcome to Review Rumble. The best ice maker replacement is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in maintaining the convenience of your modern kitchen, transforming a frustrating daily chore into a seamless experience by ensuring a steady supply of fresh ice, making it an essential upgrade for anyone tired of manual ice trays or a malfunctioning unit, ultimately restoring the full functionality and luxury of your Samsung refrigerator. Number 5. Samsung DA97-07603B Freezer Ice Maker Assembly. This is a genuine OEM part, manufactured to exact specifications. You can trust its quality and performance for your appliance. It is compatible with a wide range of Samsung refrigerator models. Check the full list to ensure it fits your specific appliance. Finding the right replacement is simple with its extensive compatibility. It ensures a perfect fit for many popular models. Built to manufacturer standards, this assembly is designed for long-lasting performance. It measures 14.2 by 7.5 by 7.5 inches. Restore your freezer's ice-making capabilities with this reliable component. It ensures you always have fresh ice on hand. For precise identification, refer to model number DA97-07603B. This ensures you get the exact part you need. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring perfect fit and function. It boasts extensive compatibility with many Samsung refrigerator models. If you prioritize authenticity and broad compatibility for your repair, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. Lifetime Appliance DA97-14474C Ice Container for Samsung Refrigerator. Tired of a faulty ice maker? This replacement part is designed to restore your Samsung refrigerator's ice production. It's the perfect solution for a common household problem. Specifically engineered to replace part numbers like DA97-14474C and DA97-14474A, it ensures a seamless fit. Verify your model for perfect compatibility. Crafted from ultra-durable, premium materials, this assembly is built to exceed original specifications. You can trust its long-lasting performance and reliability. Replacing your old ice container is straightforward with this assembly. Get your refrigerator back to making ice efficiently in no time. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, returns are welcome, no questions asked. Unsure if this is the right part for your specific refrigerator model? Simply send us a message, and we'll gladly assist you in confirming the correct fit. What we like. This replacement part is built with ultra-durable, premium quality materials, exceeding OEM specifications. It also comes with a satisfaction guarantee. If you are looking for a robust, long-lasting replacement with peace of mind, this one is an excellent option. What people say. No positive points found in the provided empty reviews. Please provide actual review content to extract points. Number 3. Samsung DA97-15217D Refrigerator Ice Maker. Is your refrigerator's ice maker no longer performing as it should? Don't let a faulty part disrupt your daily routine. We have the perfect solution for you. This genuine OEM part is designed to bring your ice maker back to life. It ensures reliable ice production, just like when your appliance was new. You can trust its quality because it's an original equipment manufacturer part. This means it's made to the exact specifications of your appliance. This assembly is specifically designed to fit your ice maker perfectly. It ensures seamless integration and optimal performance within your refrigerator. It replaces several previous part numbers, including DA97-15217A and DA97-15217B. This makes it a versatile and reliable replacement for many models. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring it's the exact component your refrigerator needs. It directly replaces several specific part numbers, simplifying your search. If you need a precise, authentic replacement for a specific part number, this is the perfect match. What people say. Number 2. Samsung DA97-15217A Ice Maker. This is the genuine Samsung DA97-15217A Ice Maker assembly. It's an essential component for keeping your beverages perfectly chilled. Rest assured, this is an OEM authorized part. It guarantees the highest quality and compatibility with your appliance. Designed to fit various Samsung brand models, it ensures a seamless replacement. You can trust it to integrate perfectly with your existing setup. The OEM part number is DA97-15217A. This ensures you're getting the precise component needed for your specific Samsung refrigerator. Proudly manufactured in the Republic of Korea, also known as South Korea. This origin reflects its commitment to quality and reliable performance. What we like. This is an OEM authorized part, guaranteeing reliability and proper function. It fits with various Samsung brand models, offering good versatility. If you value an authorized part with a reputable origin for general compatibility, this unit is a solid choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract relevant points. Number 1. Samsung DA97-14474A Assy Tray Ice. Introducing the Samsung DA97-14474A Assy Tray Ice. This is an authentic, original equipment manufacturer authorized part, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. You can trust its quality and reliability. It comes directly from the original manufacturer, guaranteeing it meets the highest standards. This essential component is designed to fit seamlessly with a variety of Samsung brand refrigerator models. It ensures your appliance functions as intended. For easy identification, its official OEM part number is DA97-14474A. This helps you confirm it's the exact replacement you need. Replace your old or broken ice tray assembly with this genuine part. It will help restore your refrigerator's ice-making function efficiently. What we like. This is an OEM authorized part, ensuring it meets Samsung's quality standards. It's specifically an ice tray assembly, crucial for proper ice dispensing. If you are looking for an authorized replacement specifically for your ice tray assembly, this product will serve your needs perfectly. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.